Come test drive the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.